put any icing on it because it's too fabulous. I could put some icing on it, but this is an apple strudel, apple twist, apple whatever you want to call it. It's right here, y'all. And this tastes so good. The apples, the apple with cinnamon. It is fabulous. I will show you how to make it is really good. This is Sandra. I'll tell you how to eat it and get this recipe out of soulfoodqueen.net. And after this presentation, I will show you how to make this cake. Look at this cake, y'all. I will show you how to make this wonderful cake. Okay? This is Sandra. Thank you for watching my channel. All right. We're getting ready to do our cake. And it's a scratch cake, y'all, because this cake have to be a little heavier than a regular cake box because it's going to have apples on it, and it's have to make sure that it has a texture to hold those apples. So what we're going to need is about 2.5 cups of flour and a cup of sugar. We're going to blend this together. Now, the apples are going to be sweet, and you know you can put much sugar you want in there, but a cup of sugar and 2.5 cups of flour is perfect enough. Because you're just making, like I said, coffee cake, apple fritter cake, cinnamon roll cake, whatever you want to make, you can do it in this recipe. So what I'm going to do is put a touch of cinnamon in this, just a touch in the batter, just a touch, because that gives a little bit, you know, a little kick of cinnamon in there. So what we're going to do now is add the milk. We're going to have to be very careful because we want it kind of thick, y'all. I'll give you the recipe at the on soulfoodqueen.net, so you can go over there and get it. We're going to need some oil. You can use butter if you like, but I'm using oil. We're going to need 2 eggs. Drop them in there like that. We're going to stir it up just like this, y'all. Should they blend it like this? Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Like we're going to need some more milk. We're going to check and see, y'all. We need more milk. Like we need just a little bit more milk. And we're going to use some sour cream. So we're going to make sure that the, I can't even open it. I'll make sure that the sour cream is in here. Dip it out. Sour cream and apples is just something about that, y'all. So we're going to put about that much of sour cream in there, about a big heaping spoonful of sour cream. Blend it. Just like this. Like I said, it's going to be a heavier cake because it got to accommodate those apples. A little bit more milk, y'all. Then we're going to add vanilla. Just a little vanilla like that, y'all. Give it a good taste. Vanilla and cinnamon and sour cream just do something to apples, y'all. Look at it. Now this is how thick you want it. You want it thick just like that. You want it just like this. Almost like an apple fritter batter. Almost like that. Okay? We got it all blended. So we're going to get a little pan like this, already oiled, and we're going to put half of the batter in just like this, half of the batter. Okay? I'm doing this right. Okay. This to the side. Have no lid. Oh, I'm going to tell you the apples that I got at Kroger's called Jazzy apples. Sweet and tangy notes. That's what they're called. These are the apples here that I bought from Kroger. Okay, we're going to blend this out. Just like that. And we're going to add some apples. Many apples as you want. We got them all chopped up. We're going to blend them in with this. Just like that. And we're going to add cinnamon. Smell good, y'all. Already smell good. And then we're going to add another layer. Like this, another layer. Spread out as much as you can because we're going to put another layer of apples on this. Just like that. Okay, hope everything is okay with everybody. Hope everybody's staying safe. And I want y'all to pray for the cast iron skillet. He's been sick under the weather. Him and John and Rebecca. So pray for them. Okay, we got this on. Then we'll put the rest of the apples. Just like this. Wow, this is going to be so good, y'all. So good, okay? Hope y'all in the camera. Okay. Because it's going to have to stay in the oven at least an hour. Let's see. Then we're going to put the rest remaining. Okay, cinnamon. Forgot the cinnamon, y'all. The cinnamon on just like that. On and popping with the cinnamon. Then we're going to put the rest remaining on top of the cake and dab it like that. Because it's going to be kind of not quite a spreadable. So just like that. When I get through with this, I'll be right back. Alright, after we got our batter on top, what I want to do is get some brown sugar and some cinnamon. Mix it together. Blend it like this. The cinnamon and that brown sugar is a plus to apples, y'all. Y'all know that, don't you? Okay, we're going to put that together. Just like this. I have a tendency to... I need to put a stopping point so I know where to keep this product in front of y'all. Because sometimes I be cooking just like normal and just don't be realizing I'm on the camera. I do realize it. That's the oven going off to put this cake in. So what we're going to do is put the brown sugar and we're going to swirl it. We're going to do just like this. We're going to put it on top just like this, y'all. Not too far. And we're going to swirl it just like this. Swirl it all the way down the bottom or whatever. Swirl this cake. Or whatever we're going to call it, y'all. We're going to call it a cake. We're going to swirl it all the way around till it get down to the bottom of it. Just like that. Just like that. It's going to be so good, y'all. And then we're going to smooth it out just like this. Smooth it out. After we done got to the bottom, we're going to smooth it out. Just like that. Smooth the batter like that. Then we're going to put it in the oven. It's going to cook about 50 minutes, y'all. Get those apples done. Okay? And this is what we're doing. We're swerving this at the top so it can have a great taste. Okay? We'll be right back when it's done so y'all can see what's going on. We can bounce it like that to make sure it gets all in there. Be right back. This is the finished results of our cake, y'all. This is beautiful. Look at it, y'all. It is beautiful. We're going to cut it and let you see what it looked like.
Just got out the oven, and it is fabulous. It smells wonderful.